great pleasure to participate in this event coordinated and promoted by the Global Manufacturing Industrialization Summit. In this case, with the city of Nice, we're talking about smart cities, artificial intelligence, and emerging technologies.
Seeing what France in general is doing when it comes to advancing innovation, and specifically the South, really what stands out is the fact that you're meeting people from the private sector, from government, startups, SMEs, professors, academia, and it's an ecosystem, right? And if you want to see change, or if you want to be able to make a change, having the right ecosystem is key.
The role of data is very, very important, because if you would like to apply some artificial intelligence, statistical learning or machine learning, you need some data. If you don't have data, it's not possible to try to extract some information. So data is clearly the new gold for the next century.
I think that smart city is still a concept, and in our group we are more speaking about better cities. And why better instead of smart is because we think that technology for telecommunication, for artificial intelligence and so on, will be more a tool in order to improve the quality of life in cities. So it's not only technologies, but it's more about services for people in cities.